Software Spring. Presents. How to use IMPRODUCT in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on using the IMPRODUCT function. Here is an intro to IMPRODUCT. IMPRODUCT returns product of one or more complex numbers. A complex number comprises of a real number and an imaginary number. Format of product of two complex numbers is I square value is -1. All complex numbers should have I or j as the suffix. IMPRODUCT returns num error if function's arguments have a different suffix. Okay, let's look at the IMPRODUCT function formula. Here's an example. Factor 1 is the first complex number to be multiplied by another number, or by 1, if factor 2 is omitted. Factor 2, factor 3, and others are optional. Factor 1, factor 2, or all, can also be, for example, a hard-coded complex number, or range. Going forward, here is an objective of using the IMPRODUCT function. To get product of complex numbers. Alright, let's begin by typing the IMPRODUCT function formula. First, type the equal to symbol and IMP, and select IMPRODUCT. For factor 1, click this cell. Type comma. For factor 2, click this cell. Press enter. Click the tick mark to autofill these cells with the formula. There you go, the IMPRODUCT function has returned the product of the complex numbers. Recall that I square, or j square, is equal to -1. For this reason, this number is negative. The same is the case here. For this pair of complex numbers, IMPRODUCT has returned the num error, because the suffix is different. Let me change the suffix from j to I, and press enter. To enter data in a cell, double-click the cell, and change the data. Okay, the function has returned the product. Quick review. Use IMPRODUCT function to get product of one or more complex numbers. Format of product of two complex numbers is IMPRODUCT function formula is value of square of suffix, I or j, is -1. Suffix of factor 1, factor 2, etc., should be same. Otherwise, function returns num error. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.